Dr. Pepper Indy Go Kart. Price $2,000. Location: Virginia Beach, Virginia. A nostalgic blast from the 1980s, the Dr. Pepper Indy Go Kart captures the spirit of vintage racing with its eye-catching design and freshly restored condition, making it a true head-turner for collectors and fun-seekers alike. Powered by a brand-new Predator 79cc engine, this compact machine delivers smooth, and reliable performance, while maintaining the classic character of an old-school go-kart. After months of restoration work, nearly every major component has been refreshed, including new tires and inner tubes. 1,950 Studebaker Champion. Price $10,000. Mileage 83,579 miles. Location: Buna, Texas. A beautifully preserved piece of post-war American automotive history, the 1,950 Studebaker Champion stands out with its elegant burgundy exterior and warm tan interior, showcasing the distinctive styling that made Studebaker one of the most innovative car manufacturers of its era. Powered by a dependable engine paired with a manual transmission, it delivers a smooth and authentic driving experience that transports you back to the golden age of motoring. Carefully cared for over the years and owned by the seller's father, this four-door sedan carries both character and heritage. Flowers in 957 Chevy Bel Air Club Car Golf Cart. Price $7,500. Location: Atlanta, Georgia. A one-of-a-kind custom cruiser. The 1957 Chevy Bel Air Club Car Golf Cart captures the iconic styling of the legendary 1957 Bel Air in a fun and attention-grabbing package that turns heads everywhere it goes. Finished with classic 1950s-inspired design cues, chrome accents, and unmistakable vintage flair, this unique ride delivers showcar looks in a compact and practical form. Powered by an electric golf cart drivetrain. 1960 Chevrolet C10 Apache. Price $15,500.
1960 Chevy Apache C10. 350 small block. Good old Chevrolet.
A rugged and increasingly collectible classic pickup, the 1960 Chevrolet C10 Apache combines vintage truck styling with upgraded performance to create a machine that is as enjoyable to drive as it is to admire. Powered by a freshly rebuilt 350 small block V8, fitted with short-tube headers, a performance cam, and a Holley carburetor with electric choke, this Apache delivers a deep, aggressive, abrasive exhaust note that instantly grabs attention and turns heads wherever it goes. Originally equipped with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, the truck has been upgraded to an automatic transmission for easier cruising. 1,950 Mack B-series rat rod semi-price, $30,000. Mileage, 20,000 miles. Location, Temple, Georgia. A one-of-a-kind diesel-powered monster, the 1,950 Mack B-series Mack Rat combines vintage big rig heritage with aggressive rat rod styling to create an unforgettable machine that demands attention everywhere it goes. Finished in green with a matching green interior, this custom-built semi is powered by a legendary Cummins L10 diesel engine paired with a 7-speed manual transmission, delivering massive massive torque, impressive pulling power. Batman Go Kart 200cc. Price, $2,300. Location, Lawrenceville, Georgia. A fun and attention-grabbing custom machine. The Batman 2000cc Go Kart brings superhero-inspired styling together with exciting performance, creating a ride that stands out wherever it goes. Powered by a 200cc engine, it delivers quick acceleration and responsive handling, making it perfect for recreational driving, private roads, and weekend fun. Upgraded with a performance exhaust system, the kart produces a more aggressive, aggressive sound while enhancing its sporty character. 1,948. Willys truck. Price, $25,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Mercersburg, Pennsylvania. A rugged custom-built classic, the 1948 Willys truck combines vintage American truck styling with serious off-road capability, creating a machine that is as tough as it is unique. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a tan interior, this all-steel pickup sits on a late 1980s K5 Blazer chassis and is equipped with heavy-duty 1-ton axles, giving it an aggressive stance and exceptional durability. 1,955 Volkswagen Beetle street race car. Price, $50,000. Mileage, 999 miles. Location, Kodak, Tennessee. Built to shock both Volkswagen purists and drag racing enthusiasts alike, This 1955 Volkswagen Beetle street race car transforms the humble classic bug into a fire-breathing performance machine. Finished in striking red, with a black interior, the car retains its unmistakable vintage Beetle silhouette while hiding a race-bred setup engineered for serious acceleration. Street legal, tagged, and insured, it offers the rare combination of show car presence, race car performance, and real-world drivability, making every cruise an unforgettable experience.